There are cars, and then there are legends. And today, we're looking at a machine that doesn't just bring back history, it redefines it. This is the 2026 Morris Minor, a timeless British icon, reborn with modern performance, luxury craftsmanship, and a design that perfectly blends nostalgia with the future. From the very first glance, the front end tells you everything. This is still unmistakably a Morris Minor, but evolved. The signature rounded headlamps remain, now upgraded with modern LED rings that give the car a sharp, high-tech identity. The classic oval grille is preserved, but refined with a more aggressive, performance-inspired mesh design. And then there's that paint. A deep British racing green, reflecting the aircraft hangar surroundings with almost mirror-like precision. Chrome accents are still here, but cleaner, tighter, and more premium than ever. This is not just retro. This is heritage engineered for the modern era. Moving along the side profile, the iconic silhouette remains untouched, and that's exactly what makes it special. The smooth, flowing curves of the original Minor are still present, but now paired with lower stance and wider track, giving it a planted, sporty look. Modern black alloy wheels replace the vintage setup, revealing red performance brake calipers, subtly hinting that this isn't just for cruising, it's built to move. A thin red accent line along the lower body adds a touch of aggression, without compromising its classic elegance. It's minimal, but incredibly effective. At the rear, the design continues to respect its roots while embracing modernity. The compact, rounded tail remains, but now enhanced with vertical LED taillights, glowing sharply against the dark green body. The Minor badge sits proudly at the center, reminding us of its heritage. And below, a redesigned bumper integrates dual exhaust elements, giving the car a subtle performance edge. The proportions are still classic, but the attitude? Completely new. Step inside, and this is where the transformation becomes truly remarkable. You're greeted with rich brown leather upholstery, stitched with precision and crafted to feel both luxurious and timeless. The dashboard blends classic wood trim with modern digital integration, a seamless fusion of analog charm and cutting-edge technology. Traditional round gauges are reimagined with digital displays, while a wide infotainment screen sits subtly integrated, never overpowering the design. And in the driver's seat, especially from that POV perspective, you feel something rare: connection, simplicity, and pure driving emotion. This is not just an interior, it's an experience. Now, while the original Morris Minor was known for its small, modest engines, ranging from around 918 cubic centimeters to 1.1 liters, producing under 50 horsepower, this 2026 reinterpretation takes a completely different direction. Although exact specs haven't been officially confirmed, this resto-mod-style build strongly suggests a modernized powertrain. Likely a turbocharged inline-4 or even an electric conversion. With upgraded suspension, wider tires, and performance brakes, this Minor is no longer just a city car, it's a driver-focused machine. Since this is a modern reinterpretation rather than a mass production model, pricing would likely fall into the premium resto-mod category. Expect something in the range of $60,000 to $120,000 plus, depending on customization and drivetrain. As for release, This kind of build typically comes through limited production or bespoke automotive studios, rather than mainstream dealerships. The 2026 Morris Minor proves one thing: great design never dies. It evolves. From a humble post-war British car that once defined accessibility and simplicity to a modern masterpiece that blends nostalgia, luxury, and performance into one unforgettable package. And honestly, this might be one of the coolest ways to bring a classic back to life. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the rebirth of the Morris Minor, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know. Would you drive this modern classic?